Good morning. I stopped in to see what they had at the Continental breakfast. It all looked really good, but I just brushed my teeth and I love breakfast food. But I really don't have an appetite right now because I literally just woke up. So I got a True Moon. But we are about to head downtown and go visit Temple Square. It's currently 7:31. Literally, I am only 1 minute behind the actual time that I wanted to be out the door. So, which is great. So let's head downtown and see what it has to offer. I'm literally just winging this. Just following signs. They're doing construction like around the square and stuff, and makes it a little difficult for tourists, but they have signs, and that's literally what I'm following in order to just figure out where to go. I'm trying to find Temple Square, the main church. We saw the Capitol on the way in. Probably go get some more video of that. And then there's a big mall actually behind me that we'll probably go into in a little bit. I'm here like super early, so obviously we can't go inside, but it's actually pretty peaceful that I don't have to like video or take pictures around anybody because of how early I am here. So I guess it opens up at 9 and it's currently 8:15. So I have about 45 minutes. So I think I'm going to, and that's to visit into the tabernacle. I'm not sure if I said that already, because I'm trying to talk over the construction that's going on right here and the lawnmowers. But yeah, I actually wonder what is going on. Oh, I think this is the actual main building. It's completely under construction. I thought this one was the actual church, but I think this was the original old, like the historical one. I'm glad like they have these panes so you can see what's going on. There's a lot of construction going on right now. As you saw in the pictures, they're anticipating a 40-acre campus, which is pretty big, which, I mean, makes up for all the construction. But we're going to go and possibly see the Capitol and go into the big mall. This makes a lot of sense, and I passed it as I was walking in. But that building that I thought was the church is actually an assembly hall. So you have the assembly hall, the tabernacle, and then this is what's actually under construction. And that is, what's number 7? The Salt Lake Temple. Well, that was easy enough. I didn't realize how intricate this temple square actually is. So this big building right there, that is the actual church office. It's the church office building. Interesting. This is huge. So the building that I thought was the Capitol, I believe is the Joseph Smith Memorial Building, according to that sign. But we're gonna walk down there and see. So that was the Capitol up there. This is that building I was talking about. It has a dome on top too. This is the office building. It is huge. And this is another one. Again, they're anticipating a 40-acre campus. This entire square. Yeah. So not only does their office building go up, it goes out too. Like, there's the base. Wow. Is closed, I figured I'd just walk through this little City Creek area just to see what they have around. They have a cheesecake factory, so this is like a true fancy downtown area. Interesting. See the big Macy's behind me? But yeah, the tabernacle opens in about 15 minutes, so I think I'm gonna start heading that way so we can actually see the inside of it. The Tabernacle Choir won an Emmy and a platinum record. Wow. That was incredible. I walked in and everybody was talking, listening. Those two females were missionaries. They said if I have a chance to come visit the assembly hall. So that's where we're gonna see next. Those pillars in the video are actually wood painted to look like marble. That was pretty cool.
That's your first time here?
It is. I was just over at the tabernacle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A flower.
Wow. Very, very beautiful. A lot of church campuses, though, are typically pretty beautiful, especially if, they allow quote-unquote outsiders, I guess you can say. I guess I'm self-proclaiming myself as an outsider, but yeah, that is Temple Square. That is this campus. So there is a hall across, or kind of catty-cornered from the the Temple Square. It's called Maurice. I am going to butcher this pronunciation, but Maurice Abravanel Hall. Right there. And from my speculations, it looks like there is a Chihuly statue in here, or piece of artwork. So we're gonna go walk and see if my speculations are correct and check it out. Oh man, I wonder if they're still constructing it, because they have like a little forklift thing next to it. Huh. Oh yeah, look. Looks like a Chihuly to me. Getting ready to go back to the car, I looked down the street and I saw this old-time building that says Union Pacific on it. So we're gonna go check it out and see what it is. I could have easily Googled it, but I'm here, I'm out. Why not just walk to it? Union Pacific. Huh. The Gateway. Place is actually pretty big. I'm on the upper level right here, but they have lower levels or street levels. They have for freaking Dave and Buster's. This place is pretty big. Pretty big. It's too bad I don't have a lot of time to explore it. Can you imagine your family owning a freaking mansion? It's called the Devereaux Mansion. Can you imagine your family line owning a mansion? And then the government had the nerve to build an entire city around it. Like, all you have is that little patch of land. That's it. And then now you have giant buildings around it. Wow. If you guys haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big thumbs up. What was I doing thinking that was the end of the video? Obviously, I changed. I'm now in my airport clothes. I forgot to go to Swig, and I have a couple hours to kill. So let's go to Swig. What's the most popular drink here?
It depends on what soda you like as the base. We've got Dr. Pepper and Coke are the most popular bases.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a preference in either one?
I don't.
Okay, then I think our most popular one is probably a Texas Tab. It's just a Dr. Pepper with vanilla and coconut cream.
Okay, we'll do that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a go.
You too. All right, it's time to give it a shot. So this is a Texas Tab. It's Dr. Pepper, vanilla, and coconut cream. Whoa! All right, Swig. This is revolutionary. It's so good. Why is it so good? I can be known to exaggerate, but this is so good. Woo! If I didn't have a small bladder, I would probably try a challenge where I try every single drink from Swig. And Swig is found in like the western region, like the midwestern region of the US. And when I tell you they need to expand, I mean, asking them to expand to Alaska's a little much, but oh my goodness. So Morgan, go ahead and continue on with the clip. If you guys haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big thumbs up for my first like solo travel. And I call it solo travel because I was here for work and I had no agenda. So with my free time, all I did was literally like Google what is around, and that's where we went. Yeah, so big thumbs up for first solo travel trip. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Whenever you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.